Suspension mastery. Unleashing peak performance for your BMW in Dallas, Texas. Experience unparalleled performance and handling for your BMW with expert suspension tuning in Dallas, Texas. Unlock your vehicle's full potential by enhancing its suspension system, ensuring a smoother and more responsive drive. Understanding BMW suspension systems. Key components. Shocks and struts absorb road impacts, providing comfort and stability during every drive. Springs support vehicle weight, affect ride height, and maintain ride quality. Control arms connect suspension components, aiding in precise wheel alignment and handling. Importance of maintenance. Enhanced safety. Proper suspension ensures better control and effective braking. Improved comfort. Maintains smooth ride quality on various types of terrain. Longevity of parts. Regular maintenance extends the life of critical suspension components. Benefits of professional suspension tuning. Performance enhancement. Improved handling. Precision tuning for better cornering stability and control. Increased agility. Enhances responsiveness to driver inputs for a dynamic experience. Optimized ride quality. Balances comfort and performance for a superior driving experience. Customization options. Sport suspension. Designed for spirited driving and enhanced cornering performance. Comfort suspension. Prioritizes a smooth, cushioned ride for everyday driving. Adjustable dampers. Allows fine-tuning of suspension settings for various conditions. Choosing the right service in Dallas, Texas. Expertise and experience. Certified technicians. Skilled professionals trained specifically on BMW models. Advanced tools. State-of-the-art equipment ensures precise adjustments and results. Proven track record. Reputation for consistently delivering top-notch results. Customer satisfaction. Personalized solutions. Tailored services to match individual driving preferences and needs. Transparent communication. Clear explanations of services, procedures, and costs. After-sales support. Ongoing assistance for future maintenance and potential upgrades. Conclusion. Mastering your BMW's suspension in Dallas, Texas, is key to unlocking peak performance and driving pleasure. Trust in expert tuning and maintenance to ensure your vehicle performs at its best on every journey.